Here we're looking at an orthokeratology case where the patient had a little bit of an undercorrection and a new lens was ordered, but the full amount of the undercorrection still remained after dispensing the new lens. The original lens is on the left and the replacement lens is on the right. And I think what happened is it looks like he had changed the power from a minus 150 to a minus 3. And doing that is only going to change the front surface power of the lens. So you can see that the front surface view has gone from slightly more plus or red to slightly more minus or green or blue. But it doesn't change anything on the back surface of the lens, which obviously is where we want the changes to occur. So instead of changing the power, if you wanted to add an additional diopter and a half, what you want to do is start with your original lens and just click up here on the red control point until your new power is around plus 3.84 if your target is an additional 150. So I think between, this is lens 2 here, from lens 1 to lens 2, you had done that, and that's the same change you want to do to get rid of the current undercorrection, is to just click up here and get as close to 384 as you can. When I change the power in a lens, I always also check the other meridians to make sure nothing funny happened to the tear graph, because sometimes when you change the power, it doesn't change evenly. In other words, here we're getting pretty close to 384, but here we're not. So we have to go to 25% mode and then fine-tune each meridian until it's as close to our target as possible. I'm not sure why this happens with Wave. We were in 100% mode, and I would expect the changes to occur uniformly, but it doesn't always. So just go through each meridian and make sure you're as close to target as you can be. So this lens now has a flatter base curve. It has an increased topo demand compared to the original, and that should take care of the undercorrection. So do the same thing for the left eye, and that should work out pretty nicely.